So the logjam between the government and the opposition, it seems, is never ending. The Congress determined to stage a protest at Gandhi statue outside Parliament. All the top leaders of the Congress party, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi herself, Rahul Gandhi, A.K. Antony, everyone is there wearing black bands on their arms and just protesting at the Gandhi statue against the suspension of 25 MPs by the Lok Sabha Speaker. This was, of course, due to the ruckus that was created by the opposition in the House yesterday. The decision not going down well with the Congress party, and Sneha is tracking the latest on that front where the Congress party is protesting. Sneha, so far the BJP was happy about the fact that the opposition is not united, but today do you see other opposition parties also joining the Congress in this protest?
Well, yes, in fact, this is what the Congress has some reason to really cheer about, because after the suspension of their MPs in the number gone down further from 44 in Lok Sabha, they had little options. One really can't be disrupting proceedings with just like a handful of MPs in the lower house. But what really has happened here is that immediately after the suspension of the MPs yesterday, the Congress President Preeti reached out to all of the smaller parties, the Trinamool Congress, and also BJD, I can tell you, the NCP as well. And that's the reason why I do see, as of now in front of me, Supriya Sule protesting, sitting on a dharna along with Congress MPs also. Trinamool Congress and Aam Aadmi Party coming out immediately and saying that they are also going to show solidarity and not not take part in the House proceedings for 5 days, in a sense, boycott or go on a strike per se.
The Congress has already labelled it as a black day in the country's democracy when 25 MPs have been suspended. Madhav, in fact, filed a report a short while back on the protest of the Congress MPs. Let's just play that out.
Members of Parliament protesting here at the Gandhi statue. As you can see, black flags being brought in, black bands being brought in. Both members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha present. Let's talk to senior Congress leader Mr. Kamal Nath. Mr. Kamal Nath, what is the entire message that you're trying to send out with this protest?
Well, this is a very big blow to democracy. I've been Parliamentary Affairs Minister myself. I've been in Lok Sabha for 35 years. And this kind of suspension, which is so combative, has not happened. We did suspend members in the past, but it was not a combative suspension when I was Parliamentary Affairs Minister. But to silence the opposition, I think is a very wrong precedent to set.
Right. So what would we see going on from here on? Would we see more protests continuing if the government doesn't withdraw the suspension? Well, or the Speaker doesn't?
Protests in all forms will take place for the suspension. And I think that the atmosphere has been further vitiated by this.
Sonia Gandhi reached out yesterday to several opposition parties. Sir, are you certain of opposition unity? Because a lot of other parties like the SP, etc. have not yet articulated their stand.
Well, this is not a question of one party. This is a question of members of Parliament being subjected to this kind of action. And today it is this party, tomorrow it will be another party. So I think all members of all political parties must stand solidly behind this.
Right. So clearly, of course, saying that it's not just a matter of one political party, but of all members of Parliament, and of course also saying it's a huge blow to democracy. As you can see on this side is where the senior leadership of the Congress, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, as well as Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi are all sitting in dharna as far as this entire protest is concerned. And right at the Gandhi statue over here at Parliament gate number 1 is where the entire protest of the Congress is currently occurring. Now members of the Rajya Sabha too are present over here, but they say that they will in fact not be boycotting the upper house, but all Lok Sabha members along with members of 9 political parties do say that they will in fact be boycotting the Lok Sabha proceedings as far as this entire term of this entire suspension of all the members of the Congress who have been suspended by the Speaker are concerned. Raj Kumar Krishnan in New Delhi for Times Now.